Hello, assalamu alaikum. So in the last video, actually, I showed you how to calculate this intermediate solution. So in this video, I'll try my best to present it in a simplified or meaningful way. To do this, I will make a table. Say, for example, go to insert. I have 8 solution, 7, 8 solution. I need another one. So here, say for example, solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, and here we can write the factors. So how many factors we had actually? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But here we need 6 factors because one is dependent variable. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first one is ATT, second one is COM-CSR, COM, then CSR, then CL, then like, and finally TR, right? Okay. And here I need the raw coverage, then unique coverage, unique coverage, and finally consistency, and the overall consistency and overall solution. So for example, I'm just margin cell here, solution coverage and solution consistency. So solution coverage and solution consistency. Okay. Now the S1. Let's see here. Attitude. Here is a sign actually. It means full. It means partially present. I mean absence or negation. Attitude. So I will present it using a sign, using a symbol like this one. Control. This all are in here. Okay, this one. It means negation or absence. On the other hand, in solution 1, com is absent, but CSR start sign before the CSR is a start sign, it means fully present. So symbol just I'm making like this. Okay, so fully present and com is absent. So CL is fully present, then like is fully present, and TR is fully present. So this sign, it means negation or absence. Here in solution 1, there is no item of com, it means it's absence, the blank cell, and all others fully present. I am presenting the fully present using this bold black sign, bold black circle. So here the raw coverage 0.3582, 0.35 0.3582, and the unique coverage 0.0321, and the consistency 9711, 0.9711, 0 point. Okay, so in this way, actually, you have to represent the table rather than these types of representation. I think, or in you will find in majority of the paper in this way actually, not in this. So let's try for rest of the 7 solution. So in this way, we can convert this raw result into a meaningful table, which is more lucrative, meaningful for the audience, right? The challenge is how to interpret this one.